I am super excited because I want to introduce you to the world's fastest 16-inch Intel-based laptop for trading. This machine is literally the Lamborghini of laptops, and I call this new powerhouse the Voyager. This laptop features the all-new Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor. And get this processor benchmarks at an absolutely unbelievable 57,107. This is desktop-grade speed in a laptop. This machine is at least 50% faster than anything you can find in stores or online. Why is this processor so important for traders on the go? Because 99% of the laptops out there are designed for miniaturization and portability, not the power and speed that we need as traders. And this new Intel chip is so powerful, it can easily handle the massive levels of real-time data we're all taking in today, display it to you in real time, no matter how many trading apps you're running, and no matter how many indicators you're running. That means no more slippage, no more data bursts, no more delays. And here's something else that's huge for the future. The Voyager Easy comes with the NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card. Not only does it free up your processor for trading, but it's also AI trading ready. That means whether it's chart recognition, back testing with AI tools, or the next wave of trading software with AI tools built in, you've got a laptop that's already future-proof. This special version of the Voyager also includes a free 1 terabyte NVMe solid-state drive upgrade. If you haven't heard already, these new NVMe SSDs can be up to 100 times faster than conventional drives. That means your laptop will boot in under 20 seconds, and your trading applications will launch almost instantaneously. And to sweeten this deal even more, we're going to include a second 1 terabyte drive as a backup. We're going to include a wireless mouse, and we're going to include a gorgeous laptop carrying case. So here's the deal. You get the all-new 16-inch Voyager Easy laptop with everything I just mentioned for just $27.99. That's a massive $500 savings off of our regular price once you factor in all the upgrades. Now, if you really want more screen space while you're on the road, you can add 2 USB-powered travel monitors for just $4.99. They only weigh about 2 pounds, and they pull power directly from the laptop. And they fit neatly right inside your laptop bag. No wall plugs are required. Now let me sweeten this deal. We're also going to include a brand new bonus package that is loaded with 9 extras, including a headset for listening to webinars and videos, our deluxe cooling package, lifetime access to one of our top-selling courses that's called The Secrets of Trading IPOs and Newer Issues, our new Easy Speed, Optimization, and Maintenance package, and a few more surprises. All together, this bonus package is worth $1,939, but it's yours absolutely free when you get this deal. See the video on the lower part of the sale page for more information on this awesome free bonus package. The total retail value of this package, including the 16-inch Voyager Easy laptop, the 32 gigabytes of RAM, the 1 terabyte SSD, and the 1 terabyte backup drive, the USB travel monitors, and the bonus package, normally our everyday price comes to $5,834. But today, we're offering this to you for the very special price of just $32.98. That's a savings of $2,536. And as always, shipping is completely free to the continental US. And remember, every single Easy Trading computer and Easy laptop comes with lifetime premium tech support. Look, I get it. Most traders aren't computer geeks like me. Dealing with computer issues can be incredibly frustrating. Try calling Dell or HP, or have you ever tried to call your internet service provider like AT&T or Xfinity? You wind up being on hold forever. And then when you get connected, you're usually talking to somebody who has no idea what you're talking about. That doesn't happen here. My in-house technical support superheroes are the best in the business. They speak perfect English. They know these machines inside and out, and they only deal with traders. They can help you with everything from malware to speeding up your computer from anytime you get hosed up with a Windows update. This is a premium level of support, and yes, it's included for the lifetime of your machine. And by the way, you can also finance your purchase with 0% interest for 3 months or spread it out over 36 months. And if your credit sucks, that's okay. We have a credit option for you. Checking if you qualify for credit will not affect your credit score. Just click that big pay over time banner you see on the sale page. So if you know you're fully ready to upgrade to a professional laptop for trading, click the link in the description. This special deal expires soon, and full details are on that sales page. Again, click that link in the description. If you have questions, call me personally. 800-387-5250, option number 1. This is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and as I always say, may the trend be with you.